friends, are you ready to have some fun? All right, let's do this.
Hi friends. All right, so this video is not just for our little friends in class, it's also for our families. So Teacher Jessica has made some awesome videos for you guys to see. But I kind of wanted to do a little introduction, just to explain what she's going to be demonstrating. Okay, so in each video, she's going to be demonstrating a solution, okay? And these solutions, we get them from our solution kit, right? So before I start telling you about how we use a solution kit in classroom, I just kind of wanted to briefly talk about what the importance of social emotional development is and why it's important for us to implement this in the classroom and talk about feelings. So a child's social emotional development motivates them to learn critical skills, which is very important. And to have the ability to communicate, connect with others, resolve conflict, self-regulate, display kindness and empathy, and also cope with challenges, right? So the solution kit, we have this in each area in the classroom. So that way, if they're in a certain area and they happen to come upon a problem, right, a challenge, they have this close by to them to be able to use as a tool for them. So each little card has a different solution that they could choose from. So for example, this one says share, get a timer. Maybe they have a timer close by and they want to use, maybe they want to play with a doll, right? So maybe they're gonna use the card that says get a timer to help solve them with their problem. Trade. Wait and take a turn, right? Maybe I can't play with it right now, but I'm gonna wait my turn. Say please. Can I please play with that Lego? Or say, please stop, I don't like that. Or maybe play together, right? Maybe we could bounce the ball to each other and we could both play with the ball. Or maybe I'm gonna choose this one just to ignore. Maybe I'm gonna go and play somewhere else. I'll come back later. Or ask nicely. Maybe you can say, can I please use that bike? And then we have trade, right? So maybe I have a truck, but I have the red truck, but you have the blue truck. So maybe we could trade. Maybe I'll give you my truck and you can get me your truck, right? Now these solutions, the children are not forced in any way to use them. Sometimes a child will take the solution card to another child and show them, maybe they, maybe they want to, trade, but the other child just does not want to. It's okay to say, maybe not right now, but maybe later, right? Or they can try and use, we try to teach the children, if they say no to one of them, try a different card, right? Maybe a different one will work. Yeah, so this is what we use in the classroom and we have them in all the areas and the children are able to use them freely to help solve their problems. So Teacher Jessica will be demonstrating a solution from the solution kit. So I wonder which one she's going to be showing us today. All right, let's see.
Hi friends, it's Teacher Jessica. I miss you guys all so much and I hope you're being safe, kind, and respectful while staying at home. Well, just in case you might have forgot on how to solve some problems, I put some videos together for you guys on our solution kit, just to remind you on how to solve your problems at home. Well, let's see what 2 solutions I used this week. Try and figure out what solutions I used before it's revealed in the video. Alright, let's check it out. Teacher Jessica is working hard. But I think her friend wants to be silly and play. I have to get my work done. But I want to play. Let's have fun. What can I do to get her to stop? I know. I can say, please stop. Boom, boom, beam, beam, bam, bam. Please stop. I do not like that. Okay, I will go play somewhere else. Finally, now I can focus. The first solution I used was to say, please stop. I do not like that. It's the most respectful way for your friends to know that you want them to stop and you don't like something that they're doing. Let's see what solution I use next. This sure is fun. Wow, that looks like fun. But there's a long line. How will I get it? That line is so long. I know. I can wait and take my turn. I'm already next. Got it. Being kind and waiting was worth it. Second solution I used was to wait and take my turn. You won't always get what you want right then and there, but you can always wait. You can set a 5-minute timer, or you can go and do something else while you wait until it's your turn. The 2 solutions Teacher Jessica chose to use this week are to say, please stop, and to wait and take your turn. It is important to be kind, safe, and respectful when solving problems because kindness goes a long way. And remember, friends, whenever you have a problem, there is always a way to solve it, like using the solution kit. Stay tuned for more solutions next week. Bye!